Hello neighbor family, what's up, what's up? Hey, we're gonna play around with this nice looking, hang on a minute. We're gonna mess around with this green guard, see what we can get into. So, stand by, keep on watching, here we go. Okay, so what we got torpedo on in here because it's a little cold, and we're gonna go ahead and take these bolts out. We're gonna take these bolts out here and see. I got the motor mount right here. This motor mount for the green guard. As you can see, this part here goes you bolt that down, bolt this part down to the motor deck, and you also got 5 of these little washers. So all you do is put these on here, and that brings it up a little bit. So there we go. Now we're also going to check something else out I was a little worried about, because these guards are pretty long. So if we put this here, we got to be up about right in there. So we'll see how high this has to go to cover up that hole down there. But ain't that pretty? Ain't that pretty? Alright, let's see if we can get this thing off. Before we take that off, where's my bag? Yeah, there it is. Alright, I went and got me one of them little magnet trays here, magnet mount, for all the screws and stuff. That's a must for a project like this. Number 1 bolt. Yeah, that's staying on there. Number 2 bolt. Of course, number 3. Now that one there is getting a little trouble, but there we go. Bench chute is off. We can always put it back on if we need to. Looks like we got Christmas tree stuff here. Whee! We built that up. So, alright. Wish I had this nice and cleaned off. We need to take this and put her right here. So we can put her about right there. That might work. Probably go ahead and throw the guard on, so we get some kind of where we need to put it at. Alright everybody, I went ahead and took the liberty of getting all the parts and everything. Put it right out here. As you can see, all the parts are right here. Hopefully we got everything. So let's get going on this. I still want to bring a marker down. Yeah. Let me see if I can find a marker. Alright everybody. We found a permanent marker. Alright. Let's get this over here. Let's get this other bolt in. They give you spacers in that, but I don't think I need it, so we're gonna put the bolts in this thing. Oh man. Get her tightened down. See if we can go ahead and mark it. Pretty good right there, huh? Alright, we'll bring you over here a little bit so you can see more action, what's going on. Sun's out a little bit. Alright, bring the camera down a little bit further there. Hopefully it don't flip over. Alright. Looks pretty good right there. So we'll go ahead and tighten these down. Never get to the right tool. It's not it either. 9/16. Oh, it's 7/16. Think you got the right tools in, sometimes you don't have the right tools after all. This has got 1/2 inch in, so yeah, that's what it is. 1/2 inch. Alright, flip the lever, ding ding. I don't think this works too good. It's going slowly. Alright, that's in. Second one in. Now what we're doing is we're taking the black guard with the chrome guard, putting it together. That way make a sandwich so it won't have such a clatter when you close, open and close, when you close it up. You ever had tools that never work with you that good? Should put another bolt right in here the way it's starting to look. Alright. That's all tight now. So we're going to put this like right there. What I do, I try to put it right against here. Move that over a little bit. Motor's right there. So we'll take the permanent marker, start drilling some holes. Press against there. All we're going to use is 3/8 bolts. So there you go. We'll put this somewhere else. Get our battery going here. What we're using is a tip type bit, so you don't have to self tap it or anything. It's got the little tip on there, if you can see it. Just that little tip. Pretty much does the same thing. Okay. So let's drill out a couple holes. That's one. This one here ain't too sure about. Drill this one out. Do that one there. One right there. And the other one's right here in the label. Before we get too far, I can take the unit and put it up there, but I'm going to get a vacuum and suck that up. Get all the chips sucked up. Alright, I brought my light over. Got the vacuum here. I want to suck up all those chips. Well, the thing must not be plugged in. More cleaner area to work with. Let's take our unit, bring it back over here, and see if everything is lining up. And it looks like it is. Alrighty then. So let's drill those other 3 holes out. We're going to drill that one's out. One over here, close to the wire. We're going to skip that, go with that one, and these 2 over here. So let's go ahead and get the rest of these drilled out. And we goof up, we'll go back to 1/4 inch bolts. We got bolt sets here. All right, hit the light. Okay, all 4 3/8 holes are drilled. We're done with the drill. Let's suck up the shavings. Hey, That thing's whistling back at me. Hear that? Hey. Let's check the whole drilling part again. Looks like everything looking good to me. Alright. This thing is hanging down a little low. So, ain't too terrible. Where'd they go? There it is. Alright, we're going to use 3/8 bolts. We're going to use long ones because I think we need to get this a little higher elevation. We're going to take the spacers here that we got with the kit and get them going in here and put the bolts in, see what it looks like. That don't look too terrible. That looks pretty good. We need to put more spacers or something, and we'll do it later. Fun part is getting down there while it's close. Get the bolts put in. So we'll put you over here. Sorry about the sun. Can't help that. I'll get down here. Grandpa will get down here. Bolts in, if possible. Or I can take the chute apart, be a lot easier, a lot faster. Let's see if we can do it this way. Alright, where are you at? One right there. Too bad. Now, but you go one more up or not. Probably should while I'm doing this, because it looks like it's hanging down about a good inch down past the deck. So I'll put a nut washer on there. Go ahead and put a flat washer on top of that. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, I figured probably have to put one more in this flat on top. might have to cut the thing. Figure I'd try one, see what it looks like. Got 3 bolts here, we should be fine. Oh yeah, that's a lot better right there. Alrighty then. Put a flat on top and a lock if I can find one. And repeat the process over and over again. Woo! Yep. That should work. I have to move the flap over one more hole over that way. Let's go ahead and take this off again. Take these 2 out. I'll have to move this over 1 notch over. A lot easier to put the bolts in. Oh, Charlie horse. Oh, Charlie horse. Get Charlie horse real quick. But, yeah. I mean, what do you guys think? Looks pretty good, huh? Looks pretty good. Matches right up nicely, so let's go ahead and take that apart and put you on the other side. This here is going to be coming off on the trimmer trap part. Now let's take this apart, get our bolts inserted. I might have to move this down 1 more notch. That looks pretty good. Ain't first time I use spacers like that. Use nuts and that, but hey, it works. I was gonna go 3 high, but it's like, we'll try 2. 2 seems to work. So we'll move the bolt holes down one more hole. Leave it at that. And we'll get the rest of this put together. Nuts. Flat washer on top of that. And that's how we did it. Another flat, then the nut, do crazy things, get stuff on here. I like people when they call me and I'm making a video. Oh boy, that one's falling apart. Alright. Flat. Nut. All right, hey, torpedo heat's off. Cool, we're warming up. Let's get this last one in. And let's see, find the hole. Start building our little tower here. Come on, sucker, where you at? Like building a pole here, huh? Alrighty, there we go. Man, that's nice. That one there looks like a little short. Where'd the nut go? There it is. Alrighty then, there we go. They're not tight or anything, but we'll go ahead and put this back on. Oops. Okay. Come on, sucker, hit the hole. There you go. Alrighty then. She's right there. Oh, she's right there. Alright. Alright, get the nuts here on this again. Hope we didn't screw up any. I hate to redrill all the holes, but the way we got it before, it should have been fine. So cross your fingers. Wish I had a better 9. I need a half inch. I'm gonna go get a half-inch speed wrench. That old thing's a little slow. Alright, now we got our half-inch speed wrench. The other one's just a little bit too slow. Oh, this is much faster. Oh yeah. Pressed right against there like I was hoping for. I need to find another bolt stick in there. I don't think I need it, but we'll get rid of these other nuts from that other project. And we have this arm right here. That's for a trimmer trap deflector. We'll be taking that off. So alrighty. Got to keep the 9/16 wrenches and stuff here. Take the nut back. Alrighty. Now see if we can get temporary power hooked up to this thing, and we'll see what we got. Ready to just light out of here. Alright everybody, I hooked up the terminals temporary. This is the switch we got right here. We'll move it over here out of the way. Alright, see if this thing works. Look at that, look at that. Works good everybody, look at that. Just got to tighten her down a little bit. Alright, let's go ahead and tighten her down. Get that done, we'll try it again. Make sure she's in the right spot. Alright, looking good. Looking good. Let's go ahead and get her picked up, be a lot easier. Alright. Let's go get a socket. Alrighty. That on there. We'll get our big butts back up again. Oh, yeah. Too small for a speed wrench. Alright, it's tight. See if I can get the switch. I'll try it again down here. Let's see. Yep, solid. That thing's sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. All right. Wish I had a speed wrench on the bottom. I wish these things would have fit, but they won't. That one there, we should be able to use the... Oh yeah, there we go. That's in the open. There we go. Let's try it again. Ouch. Yeah, that sucker's got some force. Solid. Solid, solid, solid. That's what we want. That's what we got. Cool. Always wanted a power chute, and tell you, that's perfect. I mean, that line's right on the bottom of the deck. That is absolutely right on the money. That is cool. And of course, the rubber's taking up the other slack, but that's going to be great. Beautiful. And we got all these tight. Those are tight. I think that should be tight. I was going to put another one in here. Or here, the preset in a little bit, make it a little bit stronger. Other than that, that's cool. All we gotta do is wiring. Get that going. Oh man. 58 years old. Legs don't want to work that much. But we get around. Alrighty then. I'm happy. We'll get this other stuff mounted. We'll be in golden. So we'll get this out of the way here. I want to try this one more time. Just make sure. Perfect. That thing slaps nicely. Right against all that. Beautifully. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That should work. Alright, what we gotta do now is pop these off. Because we gotta get to here. You just pop these two up. That one comes apart. Alright. Pull this unit out of the way. Move this up and down. It's really nothing in the road of hitting that switch, so that should work. We just gotta pop this out and we can get that switch through there, but we gotta run the wire harness up through. There's a little hole down there, and that's the fun part. So, oh boy. Alright everybody, I went ahead and I cut this hole out right here. I cut this hole out. It's all plastic. Cut it out with this little toy. So now we got the switch here. Where are we? We're red. We're red here. Okay. I'm going to take the tab. There's a tab right here and put that forward. So we're going to put the switch in like this. So hopefully everything's going to work out. Wire harness, I ran that through. Bing, bang, boom, boom. There we go. She's there, everybody. Now, wire harness is right here, and the little tab is right there. So that's why I want to keep it in front. So, the fun part is yet to come. I wish I, you know, I wish I put it together before I did that, but oh well. Here we go. And I don't want to do that to you guys. Put this damn light. I wish you had something to hold this light. Alright. Feels like it's all put together. Oh man. Yeah, looks like it's there. More deck down, more deck up. Not gonna hit anything, so that's good. Alright. A real bummer, you got this guard here, so. Alrighty then. Hey, let go. Let go. This has become a project. A major project. I had to take the rear wheel apart, take it off, run the wire down through and up, run it down through and up into that hole there. Well, we got our switch right here. Let me go hook it up temporary. The tripod's out of the way. We'll make sure it's going to work. Then, hook up the juice. Good to go. And run the wires. That'd be good. The ground. Let's see. Oh yeah. We got it working. There we go, everybody. Now let's hook up these two lines. Power. Zip zip, and we're out of here. Well, we got that far. Now, if I pull one on the 148, I know what to do next time. So there you go. That looks pretty damn good. Okay, everybody. I got power established. All hooked up. No permanent. She's there. She's there, man. We're going to use yellow zip ties. Now what? Not the white ones, the yellow ones. All right. let's check this out, make sure we got everything tightened down in here. That should be okay. Alright, everything inside here, plug-ins and everything. That should be good. Alright, let's get this back together. Working. Alright, that's all put back together. That looks pretty good right there. I like it. It's supposed to get a round switch, but got the square switch. You know what? I like the square switch. Alright, this here should be pretty easy. Get these tools out of here. Okay, everybody, let's get the line adjusted for the deck here. I'll have to wrap it up in the back there. So we got this right here. Pull the pin out and I'll drop this deck all the way to the ground. So what I like to do is put a zip tie right in here. We should have plenty of cord. Let's get this light out of here for 1 second. But there's kind of messing things up a little bit. Alright. I need an arm to hold this sucker out there. Let's see, we figured it out. There we go. God damn, we're smart. Alright, so when the thing's down on the ground, we have it up in the air like that a little bit. So when we raise the deck up, well, I push the button, raise the deck up. Oh, that worked, won't it? That's all the way down. I think that'll work right there. Ain't gonna have a I have a little bit of tension, not much. I want to see if I can get me a put that there, and this here, and zip tie that sucker up there. We can still pull it down if we need extras. It ain't gonna be that tight. That leg right there. That should work. I'll get me see if I can find a couple other clamps, put them down. But hey, I think we're good to go. All the wires are on the way. Ouch. Keep your hands and feet out of the way, let me tell you. That works, isn't it? Keep the wire off the ground, off the deck. That shouldn't hurt anything, should it? You guys ain't seen it that good, I guess, but hang on a minute. Go for a spacer right here. I can get this light out of here. But yeah, I'm just trying to get that wire. That should work, I think. Ain't gonna pull on it that much. It's gonna have a little slack on it and everything, but it's got flexibility. We can give it a little extra if we need to. That should work. I'm gonna pull it back up. There you go. I think that'll work. We'll get some other stuff to tie that down the rest of the way, but as far as I'm concerned, everybody, that's a wrap. We are done. Kaput. This mower is done with the Green Guard power chute. There you go. Green Guard power chute. What do you think? Keep your feet and hands out of the way. I got her switch up there. Look at that. And she's tight right against that piece of metal that's hanging out a little bit. So there you go. What do you guys think? We had to take the tire off the side here so I can get inside here. But we got it done. There you go, everybody. Complete job of the Green Guard. So what do you guys think? Think it'll work? Well, we'll find out this summer. I'm gonna back up into this stuff. I got all kinds of stuff behind me here. So there you go, everybody. What do you think? Think it'll work? Power chute. Hey. Up, down. Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. We'll show you one more time. There you go. So, now I got the switch. Switch right here. Up. Now, I've been wanting a power unit for a long time. There you go. I put the rubber in there so it wouldn't have let me slapping around as much. And I did find another one of these. So I want to put this either here or in there. I think that'll work. I'll tighten that down. Then come back down. That should work out beautiful, beautiful, beautifully. So there you go, everybody. The Green Guard power chute. Leave it up, leave it down. As you see, we used the nylon threads and 2 large bolts or nuts on all 4 legs. Give you a good shot at that right there. So we've had to build that up a little bit in order for it to work right. And it's an old tripod here. So when you take and close it, she's right there. Right on the bottom. Lines up with the yellow there, as you see on the right there. Lines up beautifully. So there you go, everybody. The Green Guard's installed. There you go, everybody. Whew. I don't know how long it took me, but I did this in segments and that because I had so much stuff that I had to go find. Had to go find equipment and stuff like that. So this here is about, well, it says about 15-16 minutes, so it's gonna be a long one, but hey, I took my time. I bought that with my own money. $309 for that kit. So, but I got the extra rubber guard and I got that extra motor. So if anything else goes wrong with the motor, I can change it out in the field. That's the idea. So please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment down below, tell me what you think, and we'll see you down the stream. Remember about my 3M headset. It's still up for grabs. We got four people now interested in that headset, so don't delay. Go ahead and hit that PayPal link down below. Make your $5 donation to cover shipping costs. And April 1, we'll have a drawing. See who gets that headset. So I like that. I like it. Like I said, I wrote to the company and see if they would let me do a review. You know, have one sent to me, but they still never responded to me. So I don't know. I guess they probably get a lot of people that wants a free guard, but I did pay for it. So it's right there on the mower. I got to take that other arm off the side, and we got 3 more lawnmowers here that one of these days we'll have that green guard power chute. So take care. Thank you very much. Hey, keep your distance, wear your mask, and wash your hands. Mine's dirty. Time for dinner. Have a good one. Take care. Bye-bye.